Map 17 is called Compound. And this floor hurts. So I recommend not standing on it. Give me that shotgun, you. I'm gonna punch your ass out. Yeah. Alright. Welcome back, everyone. Air Monster versus the... you know. So, this one, to get started, has a little trick to it. Shut up, chain gunner. You see that wall way down there? Just to the right, down there, there's a tiny little secret with like a 7 or 6 health boni in it. Once you get these guys out of the way, you just make a mad rush for it. Made it. I believe this secret is here. Give you a little foothold. Start dealing with these gunners. They could still be a pain in the ass, as you can see. Thank you, chain gunner. I'll take all the help I can get. Yeah, radiation suit ran out. I can still work with this, though. Get out of the way! Hey, now. Why don't you two, have a little fight? Good job, Hell Knight. Have one of these two. Want to? There you go. Good boy. So this is a short and sweet little level. Owie. What was I saying? Yes, this one's short and sweet. It's over with and done pretty quickly, and it's not really that hard when you compare it to the other stuff I've been going through so far. And no doubt compared to what I'm going to be facing. So, I'm gonna rocket these dudes. Did he just die in 2 rockets? I'm pretty sure he just died in 2 rockets. Now, why didn't you die in 2 rockets, huh? I've never seen that before. Anyways, moving on. Oh, 39% health is not going to cut it for the upcoming ambush, so I'm going to make it worse. That's not what I meant to do or say. Okay, now I got a soul sphere. Things are looking a little better. When I go and get this red key, there's a pretty nasty ambush, and you don't want to be at subpar health when you face it. So Thud here is gonna save me as I get through this one. Mancubus, I would have done the exact same thing. Okay. Oh, I don't need shotgun ammo. Alright, let's get the secret. Let's pop out here. Hello. How did you do that, man? This Cacademon's a wizard. Actually, I just didn't dodge that properly. Okay, let's gather up this stuff. Except for these. These, bulk cells there are for normal playthrough only. Hey, Caco. You want to come over here and fight the chain gunners? You want to? Come on, come over here. You can do it. Yeah, those bulk cells, I can't use them because there's no plasma weapon in this map. There you are. Fight started. Go get him, boy. Uh-oh. Oh. You had a little help. Nice. Too bad I was gonna kill you anyways. Alright. There is, however, rockets out here. and I can make damn good use of them. Yeah, you normal playthrough guys, you enjoy your plasma. This tune is written by someone named Lipith, and it is called Massacre Machine. It's metal as fuck. Alright. Spectres? Have another one. Alright, open that. Make my way in here. Yes, I heard that, you punk. You'll get yours, don't you worry. I better switch to the old chain guns off for this. Hey, chain gunner, give me a hand. Yeah, high five, teamwork. Always nice to have a teammate. And those Casali brothers just make good-looking maps, you know? Like I've yet to come across a map in Plutonia that I could say was ugly. Alright, now we are nearing the final ambush, which is right where that chain gunner is. There we go. And to do that final ambush is not really that big of a deal with a lot of rockets. But here's the thing, though. There's a green armor down close to where we started, and I can totally pull that ambush off without it. Wow, don't stand in that stuff. I can pull that ambush off without the armor, but since it's there, you might as well. Alright. Armor acquired. There's the yellow key, the object of my desire. Alright, let's whip out the rocket launcher and get the party started. Oh, beautiful. That's a nasty ambush. It is short and sweet. And oh, so satisfying. Alright. Now that that's done... Actually, now that that's done, I should be the only living thing left in this level. So I guess there's no need to gather health and armor. And ammo and... You know what I'm trying to say. It's a good thing you know what I'm trying to say, because I sure as hell don't. Alright, so I just gotta grab a key, flip a switch or two, and we're out of here. Where am I going? So, I was distracted by that sweet solo. Yeah, this is a good heavy metal song. Okay. Here we are at the end, everybody. Compound is a pretty fun map. Took me 10 minutes. I'm sure anyone could do it faster. Up next, Yellow Sphere. Oh my. It's this one. Oh, what do we got here? Come on, little zombie man. Oh. I think whoever the zombie man was after died. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next episode. I'm Hair Monster. Stay loud. Real quick, before I go, I want to show you guys a couple of photographs. Not my photographs, I didn't take these. These are photographs of a forest fire that is happening right now about 25 miles south of where I live. It's basically an entire mountain is on fire right now. Right above the medium to small sized town of Hamilton, Montana, USA. As far as we can tell right now, the firefighters are saying that the fire was started at the base of a hiking trail above Hamilton. At this moment of time, right now, it's 14 or 15 homes have been burned down. One person has lost their life, and many people have been evacuated. There are hundreds of people who are trying to help with this right now. People have been, providing shelter and food for the ones who are evacuated. And donating clothes and helping to evacuate. As well as, obviously the people who are fighting this fire. Very extremely brave people who literally just go up and battle this fire to try and get it out. The ones who fly helicopters and planes over and dump slurry, and the smoke jumpers, the fire department. Anyone who's helping with this you are a hero to your fellow man right now. And that's amazing. So I want you guys to check out these photos. This is pretty wild stuff that's happening right now.